Hey there, groovy guys and groovy gals. Hope everybody's doing well. Yesterday in our video, we wanted to go ahead and we actually mentioned that we were going to show the demo video, or actually we're going to tell you about the upcoming launch of Automated Affiliate Profits. Now, Automated Affiliate Profits, what it is it's a piece of software that automatically creates posts for you on your website, on your WordPress-based website. It takes information from YouTube, the highest ranking videos, the most popular and trending videos, and it turns that content into posts on your website. It gives you a very, very high ranking quality content. It spins it for you and it turns it into something that is unique to your own website. Since it's already ranking high, we already know that Google loves that stuff. So you're getting high ranking content on your site. Instead of sitting here telling you about what it is and what it does, let me go ahead and share with you. I'm going to share the demo video with you real fast, and then you can kind of get an idea for yourself what it looks like. Give you this right here, and here we go.
Hey guys, my name is Jackson and welcome to the demo of Automated Affiliate Profits. I'm just going to give you a short run through of how Automated Affiliate Profit works and the features it has and capabilities it also has. What it does is it will be taking videos from YouTube, whether they may be informational videos, turning them into articles, spinning the content to make them unique, add its own pictures, add its own videos and tags so it can rank and create something that is a traffic machine on your behalf in all the few click of buttons. I'm going to be showing you right now what we're going to do. So I'm right here now inside of the software area, and what I basically will do is just search a certain key term that I want. Either I can put in a URL, I can just put in a key term, and for instance I can say internet business. I can either order it by recent, most viewed, relevance, whatever it may be, and then I can choose what I want creative license also. So then what Automated Affiliate Profits will do is that it will bring up results. I can choose whether I want to go see other pages as well. And then I can just look at, for instance, this reader says 5 steps for 10 best online businesses for beginners. I can then just select that video. And automatically what Automated Affiliate Profits does is that it already transcribes it into text. As you can see, there's already 4,695 word count with an estimated viewing time of about 18 minutes and 3 seconds. Here, as you can see as well, there's also post tags. These tags are already trending and these tags are already ranking. So they will be similarly ranking as well also on Google, which is a great benefit for you to be able to start ranking and get discovered by people who are searching for similar search terms as what you will be promoting or as the links that you will be promoting on the site. Then here is the opportunity to spin content if you want to make it completely unique so that you don't get flagged by Google, and now you can actually be the one that that has its own uniqueness as well. So as you can see, congratulations, your content was spinned. So this is completely unique now. I have completely unique content. If I want, I can just, if you want, you can also go through it and just see how it looks like. If you'd like to do that, and just see if there's anything that you want to change. But
it's always a good idea, folks, by the way. Go through the content and make sure it's exactly what you want.
Keeps the message and keeps whatever you be looking for in the game. So now all I can just do then is just have a look at how I like, and then if I want, I can say add to tray. Add to tray is a feature that I use if I would like to add more than one video. That's when I select add to tray, then I'll be able to post 2 or 3 more videos at the same time. So combined into one blog. And then here's my tag, the top 10 best businesses for beginners. Here are my tags. I can add in a call to action here, for instance. Learn how to make $50 a day.
It could be 150 if you wanted to put it at, or 250.
Right, I can say that. Then I can make instead of a day online here. And then what I'll be able to do now is just add an affiliate link, CPA link. If you're doing dropshipping or if you're doing print on demand, you can also do that as well. And then it will be a print on demand an offer or t-shirt, whatever it may be, or dropshipping, all depends on you.
So you can see this is good
So
for
I
any
can change the
business.
thumbnail and add my own thumbnail, or I can search in the library for whatever thumbnail that I'll be looking for, or I can just simply just add the media here on my own, and then just, you know, select whatever I like, and then insert it in post, and then that is basically my own thumbnail here, and I can just say thumbnail in post. Here's an opportunity where you can choose over 100 different languages that you'd like to use, and then that's a great benefit because now you can, you know, put in every language, whether it's a local language or it's just a language that you know, and you know, it's pretty well converted as well. And then here's the text at the bottom, like I mentioned earlier, and then your ranked high, and here your words, and then all I would just do then is just select create post right here, and then my post will just be created and uploaded on my site. So just a click of a button. There we go. And now I have my own page added. That's how easy it is to simply do that. So I just want to show you an example of how the post would look like. As you can see here, here's the content. Here's some content written down. And if I scroll down, there's some call to action here at the bottom. I can actually direct my consumption to the call to action. So I just want to give you a preview of how my website, my blog would basically look like. This is just a custom theme. I did not actually do much here. And you can already see here that different types of blogs really that have been automatically uploaded by the scheduler tool inside. So it will automatically schedule a post on your behalf as well.
Okay, so you got the idea there, folks, of how it works. You can see it's pretty powerful software. As far as themes for your WordPress-based site, you can get one that's paid for, you can get one that's free. Personally, I kind of like the news type of themes, where it's a setup like the one that he showed you at the end there. It's very similar to that. And there are some free ones that are very, very good at WordPress.com. You just install a theme that you like, and you're off to the races. You're good to go. So anyway, okay, the launch is coming on the 10th of March. I'm looking at my calendar over here. Anyway, it's coming on March 10th at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So mark your calendars. That is the time when it opens up for the public. But since you are a member of my list, we're going to go ahead and open it up early. We're going to open it up on 1 a.m., actually 1:01 a.m. on March 10th. And I'm going to go ahead and in the email, I'm going to send you a discount link. Now, the regular price for the public is $17 for the front end product, for the automated affiliate profits software. I'm going to be sending you a coupon good for $10 off. So you're going to be able to get it for $7. This is a special deal for my list only. You're going to want to go ahead and pick it up right away, because at 1 in the morning, it's going to go live. 1:01 in the morning, it's going to go live. I'm going to send you that special discount coupon, and that coupon is only going to be good for a few hours. So you're going to need to pick it up right away. You're going to want to stay up late tomorrow night, Tuesday night on the 9th at 1:01 a.m. Eastern time. You're going to be able to pick up your copy of Automated Affiliate Profits for only $7. So keep your eyes open for that coupon. It's coming to you tomorrow. Okay, that's all for now, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.